Do you have jiggly lines when drawing? But you want your lines to be crisp and perfect. Some programs have line stabilizers, but you can't just seem to get the line art that you want. Well, you're in the right place, thanks to Affinity Designer.
This is not a sponsored video. I just love to make art using Affinity Designer.
Okay, so it's time to make our sketch a clean, crisp line art. From this to this and this. But first, we must be friends with the pen tool. Our best buddy is the pen tool. Make a starting node, then tap and drag the second node, and tap and drag the third, and so on. After that, go to Stroke Pressure Curve. Adjust the curve to your preferred output. And that's it, the simplest and the easiest way to make a clean, crisp line art. We can do this one line at a time or just the whole object, depends on your preference. We can create single lines and join it after. And then, edit the pressure curves. Any process will do. As I said, this depends on your workflow process. Just repeat, tap, drag, and adjust until everything is done. We can do this line art process with just a mouse, so for those friends out there with no drawing tablet, no problem. We're going to make use of the shape tool in making simple circles. And don't forget the pressure curves. Duplicate, duplicate, that makes our lives easy. Don't you agree? If this video helped you out in any way, please give some support by clicking the like and subscribe button. Be sure to join me on the next video for the coloring process. Keep drawing and be safe.